Put y'all little niggas on game, man. Yeah, boy. So you don't use too many of these packs, man. Make your shit salty. You don't use too many of them hoes. Water hot over there. Chef Bantana, man. Where it's looking, man, we're gonna need two cans of chili. Fuck it. I just cut my motherfucking finger. Oh my shit. So what? Man, blocking all the shit that's going on, man. That towel, man. Set that towel up there. Now I'm gonna do everything. I wanna do everything so y'all can see this shit, man. Bunch of Doritos up. Holes. You don't want them too crunched up, you know what I mean? Give it enough to hold. Leave some in the bag for the topping, man. 6-7 packs of noodles. Y'all make sure I hit that share button, man. We're trying to put y'all niggas on game, man. You know, a lot of people don't know about this right here. That share button, man. Got the noodles in the trash bag, man. What we add next, man? Got the hot water. Make sure your water hot. Don't get it too goddamn hot because you'll fucking burn yourself. Block right, man. You gotta know how to, you know what I mean? Alright, that bitch starting to float now. I see you, bitch. Okay. That bitch, don't be careful, man. Make sure y'all got y'all towel ready too. That's one thing I ain't put up this bitch, man. Give me a minute. Gotta have your towel ready, man. I'll keep all that heat in one little area. You know what I mean? Give me a minute. Gotta have that towel ready. Look, I got a leak in my bag. Nah, we good. Nah, we chilling. Yeah. Man, just trying to get all that shit around now, man. I put some water in there. You know what I mean? Get that water around. Don't worry, man. If you add too much water, man, you can always. Yeah, my shit leaking. Fuck it. It's a bit hot. You can always add another pack of noodles to compensate for that too much water, man. Them chips gonna suck that shit up. That shit gonna lock, man. You running around. You know what I mean? You make your piece of shape like this. This what look. This is where you start making your piece of shape right here, man. Get your trash bag. Don't lock that bitch yet. You know what I mean? That's when you start actually, you know, spreading that bitch out. Hold on, let me look in there real quick. Oh yeah, we lit. Thought I had too much water, but I actually ain't got enough, so I'm gonna go ahead and pour a little bit more in there. Remember, man, you pour too much water in there, man, you can always make up for it. Always make up for it. Six noodle packs, 7 noodle packs, whatever, man. Whatever you want to do. How many people you feeding, it don't matter. Just follow the steps, man, from the beginning of the video. This bitch hot than a motherfucker, too. Y'all following, man. That straight drop right there. You fat now, all right, bet. Now it's time to get this bitch spread out, man. Spread that bitch out. Just let you know how big your shit gonna be, man. How many motherfuckers you gonna feed. We're gonna make a crust on this bitch. Make a crust. Like you can make it square round however you wanna make it, man. Me, I like to, you know, get fancy with it, make an actual piece of crust out of that bitch. But you know, I'm gonna show y'all once this shit finished, man. Gotta be creative with it, man. You can make a goddamn triangle, circle, square, whatever you wanna make, man. It's your end result. I want my shit to be thick, so we're gonna make that whole thick. Kinda make it smaller though. Everything good. Everything straight. Yup. Lit. Got a circle, got a crust. Gotta make it to where that chili gonna sit in the middle, man. That chili gonna sit in the middle. Pizza being made, man. Y'all stay tuned. Pizza being made. Pizza being made. Oh fuck. Right, you really ain't gotta tie that bitch, man. But it's good to keep that steam in the bag, man, because that's what's gonna soften your noodles and your chips. The chip is gonna lock that bitch up, make it one whole thing, man. And then you spread that bitch out. Keeping that steam in that bag, man. Hold on now, hold on. Wrap that bitch up, you know what I mean? Wrap that bitch up with your towel, man. Wrap it up with your towel and walk away. Simple as that. And we're gonna let that bitch sit there for a little bit, man. What toppings I want to put on there, man? Got some more chips in the bag, crunched up. That's gonna be my topping. You know, you can add anything to it, man. Cheese, goddamn jalapeno peppers, goddamn chili, motherfucking crackers, goddamn beef jerky, whatever you want to add to it, man. Whatever toppings you like on your pizza, man, you can add it to it. Me, I got 2 cans of this chili right here, man. That's the kind of chili I use right here, man. 2 cans of this right here. You gonna be straight. 6, 7 bags of these right here, man. Make sure you get you a big bag of these. This the ingredients right here, man. Chili. These right here, man. This what's making the pizza. This what I just came from doing. Everybody that's tuning in right now, man. 6 bags of these, 7 bags of these. Your chips, half a bag of these, man. Or 3/4 of the bag. Pour it in there, mix it together, get your hot water. Don't get it boiling, man. Just get it hot to where it's steaming hot. Pour it in the bag, man. If you pour too much water, man, add another pack of noodles to compensate for that. You know, let that bitch chill. Get you a towel to keep all that fucking heat in one area, man. And shit. Watch how this shit turn out, man. Watch how this shit turn out, man. I'm trying to put y'all on game, man, because I know y'all quarantined right now. Y'all ain't got shit going on. Y'all gonna be like, man, that nigga Poka just taught me something new, man. I know y'all seen this before, you know what I mean? We got that chili getting hot. That chili hot. I almost burnt my shit, but it's all good. The chili hot, man. I have to turn that off. Man, the main thing is, man, make sure y'all don't use too many of these fucking seasoning packs, man. I only use one because I did it one time, man. I used all the seasoning packs for every noodle, man. They kind of made that shit salty as fuck. And I ain't trying to have no high blood pressure. So one season pack, man, 2 season packs, man, you should be good, man. I'm gonna let this sit here for another 5-10 minutes, man, to where my noodles can actually absorb that water. You know what I mean? Everything gets soft. Oh yeah, that's what's going on right here. That's what's going on. You already know, man. You already know that pizza, baby. That shit kind of shifted. Ooh. Oh man. Y'all can see this shit, bro? Hold on. Lay that shit out, man. Y'all see how that bit look? Look at that. See how that bit look? Bet. Cut the bag from around that bitch, voila magic. There you go. That hope's thick motherfucker too. After you do that, man, you gotta be careful, man, so you don't eat no plastic whenever you cut that bit with the knife or whatnot. You know what I mean? Here we go. Boom! Boom, bitch! Y'all thought, nigga, y'all thought, yo! Y'all, that bitch prettier than a motherfucker. Y'all thought? They thought, man. They thought I ain't know. Yo, it's official, baby. It's official. Uh-huh. What's next, Pope? What you add next, Pope? This what you do right here, man. Get your chili. Alright, I think I add too much on that bit, but yeah, we gonna spread that out, man. It's gonna sit in the middle like that right there. Let me show y'all how this shit done, man. Make sure y'all say this shit, man. I'm trying to tell y'all. I make the prettiest fucking pizza. Ain't nobody fucking with me, bro. Niggas ain't fucking with me, bro. Don't give a fuck what y'all talking about, nigga. My shit pretty. Pretty ass pizza. Niggas ain't fucking with me, bro. Niggas ain't fucking with me. $10 a slice. I don't give a fuck what nobody talking about. $10 a slice. Hold on, I ain't done yet. Let me fix this shit real quick. Like I said, man, I knew that bitch was gonna turn out like that. I'm a been a beast. Still is. Look at that. Oh yeah, it's official now, baby. That bitch steaming, hot pizza, man. You don't get no better than that. Y'all shit don't look like that. We might as well top that bitch off with that, man. Fuck it. Chili on top. See, when you a real when you a real one, bruh, you gotta sit back like this right here and kind of like, you know, level that bitch out with the chili, you know what I mean? Make sure y'all share this shit. Make sure y'all hit that like button too, man. Say this bitch to y'all, man, so y'all can make y'all a pizza, man. I listed the steps in that bit, man. We're going through the steps, man. Make sure your shit smooth, man. That's it right there. Bam, bitch. Bam, bitch. Make sure y'all share. Ooh. All right, I ain't got enough on this side. What side that is? Oh, yo. They ain't fucking with the kid, man. They ain't fucking with him. Get all that chili out of there, man. You don't want to leave no chili, man. Nobody want to waste no chili when it comes to making these kind of pieces right here, man. Let that bitch slide on to the side over here. You know what I mean? Kind of slide over there. And what I do is, man, like I said, y'all, when I make these kind of pieces, man, I like to make it like a little bowl. You know how a piece of crust is? It's kind of fat on the outside and around, man, so the chili can sit in the middle, man. You don't want that shit spilling all on the side and people be like, damn, nigga, you make a sloppy ass pizza. You don't make them like Poka. Poka ain't make them like this. Poka made his shit perfect, man. I'm trying to tell y'all, man, look. Poka made his shit perfect, bro. Your piece ain't like that nigga shit, bro. That nigga shit perfect. Chili sitting in the middle, ain't spilling all over the side. Made that bitch so, nigga be taking 30, 40 minutes to make a pizza. How long this video is, man? How long it took me to make this pizza, y'all? How long it took me to make this pizza? Guess what's next? Yo! Let's go! Yo! Hold on, man. Man, goddamn. So the crazy shit about these Doritos been on top, man. Them hoes gonna soften up in that chili. Make it more cheesy, baby. They know what the fuck going on, man. Y'all know what the fuck going on, man. Trying to tell you, hold on. We ain't done yet. We ain't gonna make this shit slap. We gotta make it perfect. Hold on, bitch. Guess what's fucking next? Somebody suggested I do it. They suggested I do it. Okay. Trying to tell y'all, man. What else we got? Man, you can add anything to your pizza, man. Whatever you want to add to that bitch, man. And oh baby. Man, you ain't gotta do it too much. You ain't gotta cut it. Cut it how you want to cut it, man. I'm gonna go right here. Straight across. Hold on, man. I ain't even show y'all boys what that bitch look like. Give me a minute. Fuck. It's the pizza right here, man. Man, you can add some more shit to it if you want to, man. With me, I'm just keeping it simple and showing y'all how to do the crust. I like my shit simple with just Doritos on top, man. Y'all add what y'all want to add to y'all shit, man. I'm about to cut me a little slab out of here real quick. That bitch so fat. God damn, boy. Hold on, man. Let's go. They thought I didn't know how to do it. Hold on, man. Look. This how you know your pizza good. When your pizza look like this, when you lift that bitch up. See, my shit don't break, bro. You see that shit right there? See that bitch look like a whole fucking crust already, man. That got me fucked up. That's how you do that shit right there. No cap. Give me a minute. Look at that. Look at that. Look how perfect that bitch is, y'all. See how that bitch look? Oh, yeah. That's a go right there. Y'all know what the fuck going on. Y'all know what's going on. That's still perfect. Got your little chili and chips, man. Just like I remember. Let's go. That hoe even better, bro. Oh, yeah. Hey. Your shit, man, look. I got cut that bitch. That's how thick that bitch is. That hoe stuck together. Them chips did they motherfucking job on God. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Hey, man, make sure y'all hit that share button. Make sure y'all like that. Say this for watch later, man, so y'all can make y'all a piece of too. Look, get you another little slice, man. This hoe gonna fill you up, I swear. 12 people, 13 people eat off this hoe right here, man. These little slabs right here, them hoes gonna swell up in you, bruh. No cap. And my shit just come, man, they ain't fucking with me, bro. I don't give a fuck what nobody say. They pieces ain't locking like mine, bro. You talking about, yeah, I make a better pizza. Nah, bro, you ain't fucking with me, bro. My shit perfect, man. My shit perfect. Locked together just like that. Perfect. Not falling apart. Quick. Quick, man. Add some more chips to that bit. Sure, the pizza done, man. You know how we do. Come in here and feast. Yeah. My little brother on the pizza too. Hey, appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. Make sure y'all say this video. Y'all make y'all a pizza too for y'all family while y'all quarantine. Peace out, man.